Well, now to a hot button case before the state Supreme Court, and it could have a major impact on Oklahoma tax collections.
Strobel versus the Oklahoma Tax Commission is a case being followed around the nation. It concerns tribal members and state tax exemptions if they live on reservation land.
News 4's Dylan Brown has a wrap up of what happened in the courtroom. Dylan, what happened?
A lot, I'll tell you that much. That's right, though. Even the governor is paying close attention, saying this is a case everybody should be aware of. Alicia Strobel, a member of the Muskogee Creek Nation, lives in Okmulgee. She claims she should not have to pay income taxes because under McGirt, she lives on Indian land. Her exemption request, though, denied by the Oklahoma Tax Commission. Now the state Supreme Court is weighing in.
Today it's Alicia Strobel. Tomorrow will be someone else.
It's up to the Supreme Court to decide if tribal members in Oklahoma will be exempt from state income tax. Alicia Strobel, a Muskogee Nation tribal citizen, denied tax exemption by the Oklahoma Tax Commission for 3 years, even though, through the McGirt ruling in 2020, stated tribal members working and living on Indian country were exempt. The Tax Commission interprets it as that Indian country only applying to criminal law, not civil. If the court decides in favor of Strobel, the state could lose an estimated $70 million in tax revenue.
It should concern every citizen of Oklahoma that the state feels like it can pick and choose when to follow the law.
I absolutely will not give Eastern Oklahoma over to reservation for all purposes.
Governor Stitt criticized the Strobel case, saying it could open the state to a flood of tax waiver requests from tribal citizens. In September, even pressing legislature to pass a trigger law, eliminating state income tax altogether if the court favored Strobel. It was confusing for lawmakers then.
Which schools is he going to close?
That didn't happen.
It is time for Oklahoma to return to cooperation between the state and the nations.
As for Wednesday, no decision made. The last question in court was aimed at the Tax Commission.
Why didn't you change it?
The judge asking why after McGirt the commission didn't change the law. The Tax Commission felt they didn't have to, but would if the court agreed with Strobel.
The Tax Commission's view was that our interpretation was simply the better interpretation.
The state is not above the law.
All right, well, it could be weeks, even months before a decision's actually made. Governor Stitt's office releasing a video statement on that case just before our newscast.
I'm the governor of all 4 million Oklahomans, tribal and non-tribal alike. And my goal is to ensure fairness across the board. If the Supreme Court rules that one race doesn't have to pay taxes, then no one should.
A lot of people will be paying close attention to this ruling. Hasn't been a decision made yet, and we'll be paying close attention to it as well.
Now.